your YouTube channel suddenly stopped earning and you have no idea what went wrong, then this video is exactly for you. Because today I'm going to reveal the possible reason many creators ignore warning. If you continue making the same type of repetitive content just for views, then your channel will never achieve stable income and you may keep getting rejected in the future as well. Reason. The biggest reason clearly shown is inauthentic content, which simply means your content looks mass produced or repetitive. This happens when creators upload similar videos again and again with minor changes without adding real value. YouTube has become very advanced now. It does not only look at views, it evaluates whether your content is actually useful for viewers or not. If you are using auto-generated videos, reused clips, or repeating the same format multiple times without meaningful input, both automated systems and human reviewers can easily detect it, and that leads to monetization being disabled, even if you have good views and subscribers. Another hidden reason is low effort content such as simple text slideshows or videos without voice explanation. Where there is low personal involvement, YouTube wants to see creator effort and originality. And if that is missing, your channel is considered risky. Safe solution. The solution is simple but requires consistency. First, make your content unique and add your own voice or explanation in every video. Even if you use AI, always include your personal input. Do not rely completely on automation. Second, focus on delivering real value, solve problems, provide step by step guidance, or teach something useful to your audience. Third, review your old repetitive videos and improve them or make them private if needed. Fourth, choose a clear niche and build authority instead of uploading random content. Finally, stay consistent and upload at least 20 to 30 high quality videos with strong structure, clear explanation, and good audience retention. Once you follow this properly, you can confidently reapply. If you truly want to earn from YouTube, then forget shortcuts and focus on a smart long term strategy. Because YouTube rewards creators who build trust and deliver real value, not just views.